Here is another bearing problem. I have a diagram there looking at. The first question we are asked is to find the bearing of B from F. The bearing of B from F. Which angle are we being asked to calculate now? So let me just draw a line through F, coming from F. Coming from F, right? Just draw a line through there. This would be north. Alright, so bearing of B from F. Which angle are we being asked to find? That's this angle, right? Coming from F. So coming from F going to B. That's the angle. But we know some angles. Let's look at the angles that we know, or that we are able to find. Now, these two lines are parallel. The two north lines here are parallel. So if the alternate angle, if this is 40 degrees, then this angle is also 40 degrees. And the entire angle F here was 100, so which means that this angle will be 60 degrees. This angle will be 60 degrees. And if this is 60, the angle in a straight line had to give what? 180, so this will be 120. Not that we need it. But we need the angle here. So from here, let's extend this line. Extend this. So here to here is 180 and then the 40. So I guess we didn't need the others. So here to here is, let me just, alright, some of them we didn't need that now. Alright, so this one, so this is 40, hence this angle, alternate angle will be 40. So I want, yes, let me just extend this back. So I want the bearing of B from F, so coming from the north of F, straight to the line connecting B there. Alright, so here to here is 180, straight line, and then this 40. So 180 plus 40, that's what, 220. So 220 degrees. Okay. Next, the distance BG. So definitely we can use the cosine rule. So distance BG, you can apply the cosine rule and say BG square. BG square. Let's put that a little bit higher. Let's put that a little bit higher, right? So we can say BG square is equal to 30 square. So it begins like how Pythagoras theorem begins. One side square equal to the other two sides square minus 2 times the product of these sides. So 2 times 30 times 50. Cos the angle formed, or cos the angle opposite to BG, which is 100 degrees. All of this angle here was 100 degrees, right? So BG square would be equal to, let me get my calculator, 30 square plus 50 square minus 2 times 30 times 50, cos 100. One time in a calculator, I get 3,920. 3,920, right? Which means that BG will be the square root of 3,920. Let me just get the calculator again. $3,920. And that is what? 62.6. Let me call it 63. Let's use it to the nearest whole number. The nearest kilometer, right? So this is 63 kilometers. Rounded to the nearest whole number. Alright? And so that's part B. Part C now, the bearing of B from G. Which angle is that they ask us for now? The bearing of B from G. So if we're coming from G, I need the north line G there. So if we're coming from G, where we're coming from, the bearing of B from G. So this is the angle we want, the bearing of B from G. So from the north of G to the line going to B, that's the angle we want. So you will notice that this angle, so you notice here to here is 180. All of this is 80 degrees, straight line angle. And then so we need to know this angle also. And to get this angle, we need to know this angle. So we can deduct them from 180. So we need to know this angle. Let me call this angle X. And of course we can call this angle X, is the angle we want to know. And of course we can apply the sine rule. Let's apply the sine rule to the triangle here, BFG. Now we know we can apply the sine rule because we have an angle here and we have the opposite side. So sine rule, sine of an angle, so sine in this angle, let me call it X, over the side opposite, which is 30 kilometers, is equal to the sine of another angle in the triangle, this angle, 100 over 63. And of course, the aim is to find sine X before you can find X. So we multiply both sides by what we want to get rid of here, 30. So 30 times this side and 30 times this side. Alright? So 30 times that, so 30 into itself, 1. So we have 1 times sine X, which is just sine X. And then we have, let me get my calculator. So make sure this topic here, 30 sine 100 equal, divide by 63 equal 0.469. Which means that X, let me do a second function, which means that X is equal to second function sine 0.469 equal 28 degrees to the nearest degree. That's 28 degrees to nearest degree, right? Alright, so to the nearest whole number. So we know this angle is 28 degrees. We also know this angle is alternate to this angle. And what was this angle? Remember this angle? Remember the entire angle here was 100, so and this was 40. So this piece would be 60 degrees. This piece is 60 degrees. So if this piece is 60, then this angle here is alternate to that, so it's also 60 degrees. So this angle here, remember angle in a straight line had to give 180. So if this is 60 and this is 28, this would be 180 minus 60 minus 28, right? So that piece will be 180 minus 88, which is 92. So this piece is 92. So the angle we want, bearing of B from G, is from here to here is 180, and then from here to here is 92 degrees. So it's 180 plus 92 degrees. And what's 180 plus 90? Add 20, you get 200. Only with 72, so 272 degrees. Or BG, this was 63 kilometers, right? And that's our solution.